There's two ways to update your Apple Watch, and both methods require the watch to be connected to a charger and have at least 50% battery. So, step 1. Grab your charger and put the watch on the charger. The update can be done either on the watch itself or through your iPhone. If you want to do it on the watch, you'll click the digital crown and then look for the settings. Once you're in your settings, you'll scroll down to General, and from there, we'll go to Software Update. If there are any pending software updates, you'll see them here, and you can scroll down to view the release notes and use the Install button on the bottom to install the update. You'll get the same update regardless whether you update on the watch or through your phone, but the Wi-Fi antenna on the watch is smaller compared to your phone, which often means the watch will download the update slower and the Wi-Fi connection could be a little more unstable compared to your phone. If you do the update through your phone, you'll first want to locate the Watch app on your iPhone, and then on the My Watch tab, go to General. If your Watch app shows the face gallery, use the buttons on the bottom to go to My Watch first. Then we'll go to Software Update, and you'll see your pending update there. Tap Install, and your phone will start downloading the update so it can push it to your watch. One confusing part is that your phone will usually say passcode is required on the watch, but because the watch is connected to a charger, you don't see the passcode prompt. I always have to click the digital crown, then tap the display, enter my passcode to unlock the watch first, and then I see the update prompt that's asking for a passcode. If you don't type the passcode, you'll kind of just end up stuck here. Once you're done with the passcode, your phone will continue the update, and it's important that the phone remains close to your watch. The phone downloads the update on its own storage first, and then pushes it to the watch via Bluetooth or local Wi-Fi link. So both devices need to be in close proximity, or the update will fail. Your watch will display the Apple logo during the update, and once it's done, it'll return back to the normal watch face. And that's how you update your watch. Smaller incremental updates often happen on their own when both devices are connected to a charger and Wi-Fi and placed near each other. But bigger updates sometimes require you to do this manually. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this, and I hope to see you all in the next video.